Casually just gonna open up an airdrop because why not? I have the force field launcher. So I'm opening up the airdrop now my e-circle. Okay. Yeah, see, like, look at these guys. They're just coming, like, so close to me. They're gonna kill me any moment. But I have the force field launcher. Now I'm dead. Because my force field launcher is gone. Oh my gosh! How did I open it like that? But sadly, I won't be able to get a money. Let me go. Okay. I don't know how I opened up a airdrop like that. Like, what is that? It's like next to the tomb. So let's go to that area. Don't tell me people stole my airdrop money. Because that's my money. I opened up that airdrop. If I don't get the money, then I'm screwed. I don't even know why I held E after I died. But let's see if anyone stole my money. So, I need to come all the way over here by the tomb because all my airdrop money should be over here. Where is it? Yep, it's gone. Someone stole my money. Really, man? Oh, okay. Well, I guess GG's. I tried opening the airdrop, but it despawned. But either the money despawned or someone stole my money. So that's it. I am one sad boy.